Here are a few reasons that Saxon and I are into cars, besides the actual cars that we own and the amount of money that we have spent on cars. Also, no hate to this comment because I can completely understand where it's coming from. Number one, all of our cars serve a purpose. If you can't tell from the types of vehicles that we own, Saxon and I are both driving enthusiasts. We're incredibly interested in motorsports, and the only difference is the Cayenne obviously is not a motorsports vehicle, but it's a great tow pick. Second, and equally as important, is the sense of community that we have from all of the different types of things that we do with cars, whether it be car shows or going to the track or anything like that. I personally travel back and forth across the country for work, for car related stuff, because I work in the automotive industry, and I can make friends with anyone all across the country just because we have a shared passion for these insane feats of engineering and art. Do we spend a lot of money on it? Yeah, probably more than we need to, but it's our hobby. It makes us happy. It's my entire life.